These are my boyfriend's parents. Over the past couple of weeks, we've been renovating their laundry room for them and sharing the process on TikTok. This is what the laundry room used to look like, and here are some steps that we took along the way. We started by spackling any holes that were in the walls and installing a new light fixture from Amazon so that we could see what the actual lighting in the space was. Then we got a Lazy Susan for the corner, and we ended up taking it apart so that we could use it for recycling of different kinds. After we were done painting it, we added some new hardware so that you would be able to take the doors off. And then we got started on some fake cabinet door carts. We got these carts off of Amazon and they fit perfectly, so we got some DIY spruce wood from Lowe's. We cut it, we sanded it, and we painted it, and then we used it as fake doors for the front of the carts. After making sure everything fit in place, we added some more hardware to the top of those so you can pull them out. And this is what it ended up looking like, definitely a super affordable option. After we painted the walls white, we got started on the countertop and shelves. We used the DIY spruce wood again, and we pre-stained it to make sure that there would be no patches. And we used this new stain that I absolutely love. I have it on my Instagram. Then we just added a few layers of polyacrylic and we sanded it with a high grit sandpaper in between each layer to make sure it was smooth. Then we cut holes in the countertop with a jigsaw for the different recycling and added little supports, and then used the leftover wood to make these little lids. After that, we added some supports and then we went ahead and installed the countertop and shelves. Then we wanted some paneling on the walls, so we got some of this tongue and groove paneling to make it kind of look like shiplap. We cut them to the size we needed and sanded them down, and then we picked a paint color for them. And we ended up choosing this dusty blue color. After a few coats of paint, we cut some holes where the shelving supports needed to go. And then we put all of the panels together with some supports so that we would be able to lift it up on a hinge. We did this because we wanted the electrical elements on the wall to still be accessible, but we wanted to hide them away, so as you can see here, it can be lifted up. Then we just went ahead and added some last minute decorations.
Remember what the space used to look like in your head. And on the count of 3, open your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3.